Plastic is made through a series of processes involving the polymerization or polycondensation of organic compounds, typically derived from petroleum or natural gas. Here's a simplified version of the process. 1. Raw material extraction. Plastics are typically derived from fossil fuels like crude oil or natural gas. Refinement. These raw materials are refined into simpler components, mainly ethylene and propylene, through a process called cracking. 2. Polymerization. Monomers. The ethylene and propylene or other hydrocarbon molecules are used to create monomers. For example, ethylene becomes the monomer for polyethylene. Polymerization process. These monomers are chemically bonded together through polymerization or polycondensation, forming long chains known as polymers. This is the basis of different types of plastics. Addition polymerization. In this process, monomers are added together without any byproducts. Condensation polymerization. In this process, monomers combine and water or other small molecules are released as byproducts. Common plastics. Polyethylene, PE, used in plastic bags, bottles. Polypropylene, PP, used in packaging, textiles. Polyvinyl chloride, PVC, used in pipes, window frames. Compounding and additives. Once the polymer is formed, various additives can be mixed to enhance properties such as flexibility, color, durability, and resistance to UV or fire. These might include plasticizers, stabilizers, colorants, and fillers. Forming the plastic. The polymer material is heated and shaped into various products through processes like extrusion. The plastic is melted and forced through a mold to form continuous shapes like pipes or sheets. Injection molding. Molten plastic is injected into molds to create solid shapes like toys, containers, or auto parts. Blow molding. Air is blown into heated plastic to create hollow objects like bottles. Thermoforming. Sheets of plastic are heated and then shaped using molds. 5. Cooling and finishing. After shaping, the plastic is cooled and solidified. Some additional steps like trimming, surface finishing, or assembly may be required depending on the final product. This is how most plastics are made, though the specifics can vary depending on the type of plastic and the intended use.